Crash course on marketing, marketing fundamentals. Gain an understanding of the principles of marketing and the marketing mix. Certainly. Marketing is a fundamental aspect of business that involves a wide range of activities aimed at promoting and selling products or services to potential customers. It is important for businesses to have a good understanding of the principles of marketing and the marketing mix to ensure that they can effectively reach their target audience and achieve their business goals. The principles of marketing are the basic concepts and ideas that guide marketing activities. These principles include understanding the needs and wants of customers. Before a business can effectively market its products or services, it needs to understand the needs and wants of its target audience. This involves conducting market research to identify customer preferences and trends. Creating value for customers. The key to successful marketing is creating products or services that provide value to customers. This can be achieved through innovation, quality, and customer service. Communicating effectively. Effective communication is essential in marketing. Businesses need to be able to convey the benefits of their products or services in a clear and compelling way. Building relationships. Marketing is not just about making a sale, it is also about building relationships with customers. This involves providing excellent customer service, engaging with customers on social media, and other strategies that help to build trust and loyalty. Measuring results. Measuring the effectiveness of marketing campaigns is critical. This involves tracking metrics such as sales, website traffic, and social media engagement to determine what is working and what needs to be improved. The marketing mix, also known as the 4 Seconds of marketing, is a framework that businesses can use to develop their marketing strategy. The 4 Seconds are: product. This refers to the goods or services that a business offers. Businesses need to ensure that their products meet the needs of their target audience and are priced appropriately. Price. The price of a product or service can have a significant impact on its success. Businesses need to determine the optimal price point that will generate the most revenue while still being competitive in the market. Promotion. Promotion refers to the various strategies that businesses use to promote their products or services. This can include advertising, social media marketing, public relations, and other tactics. Place. Place refers to the channels through which products or services are sold. This can include brick-and-mortar stores, online marketplaces, and other channels. Now, let's take a closer look at 12 of the most popular marketing strategies and how they fit into the marketing mix. 1. Content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable content that is designed to attract and engage a specific target audience. Content marketing is a key part of the promotion component of the marketing mix. 2. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers or key opinion leaders to promote a product or service. This can be a highly effective way to reach a specific target audience. 3. Social media marketing. Social media marketing involves using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote products or services. This can be a cost-effective way to reach a large audience. 4. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to customers and potential customers to promote products or services. This can be a highly effective way to drive sales and build relationships with customers. 5. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO involves optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results pages. This can be a highly effective way to increase visibility and drive traffic to a website. 6. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising involves placing ads on search engines or social media platforms and paying a fee each time someone clicks on an ad. This can be a highly effective way to drive targeted traffic to a website. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with other businesses or individuals to promote products or services. This can be a highly effective way to reach a wider audience and drive sales. 8. Event marketing. Event marketing involves hosting or sponsoring events to promote products or services. This can be a highly effective way to generate leads and build relationships with potential customers. 9. Direct mail marketing. Direct mail marketing involves sending physical mail, such as flyers or postcards, to customers and potential customers. This can be a highly effective way to generate leads and drive sales. 10. Public relations. Public relations involves building relationships with media outlets and influencers to promote products or services. This can be a highly effective way to generate buzz and increase brand awareness. 11. Guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing involves using unconventional tactics to promote products or services. This can be a highly effective way to generate buzz and increase brand awareness. 12. Referral marketing. Referral marketing involves incentivizing customers to refer their friends and family to a business. This can be a highly effective way to generate leads and drive sales. In summary, marketing is a complex and multifaceted aspect of business that involves a wide range of activities aimed at promoting and selling products or services. The principles of marketing and the marketing mix are essential for businesses to effectively reach their target audience and achieve their business goals. By understanding these concepts and implementing the right marketing strategies, businesses can build brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. And now, as requested, here is a poem about marketing. Marketing, oh marketing, the art of promotion and selling. Through the 4 Peter seconds we go. Product, price, promotion, and place, you know. Content marketing, influencer too. Social media, email, and SEO. PPC and affiliate too. Event, direct mail, and PR to name a few. Guerrilla marketing, referral too. So many strategies to choose. Marketing principles guide the way to reach our audience and make them stay. Marketing, oh marketing, a complex and multifaceted thing. But with the right mix of strategy, we can achieve success and prosperity. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.